Hi everyone, my name is Eley and I am a security architect at Excelis Blue Cross Blue Shield. Since 2016, I've worked in the cybersecurity field in various industries such as food services, banking, and most recently, healthcare insurance. Today, I'm excited to talk to you about blockchain technology and how it can positively impact the insurance industry. Specifically, we're going to cover an introduction to blockchain and smart contracts, insurance industry challenges, how blockchain addresses security, improving transparency with blockchain, ensuring data integrity, real-world use cases in insurance, and then we will conclude today's presentation. Now let's get into an introduction to blockchain and smart contracts. Blockchain is essentially a digital ledger that is shared across multiple computers, ensuring secure, transparent, and tamper-proof recording of transactions. Blockchain is like a digital record book that keeps track of transactions in a secure, transparent, and tamper-proof way. Instead of being stored in one place, the record book is shared across many distributed computers. Its unique attributes, security, transparency, and decentralization make it a game changer for industries that rely heavily on data integrity and trust, like insurance. The core characteristics of blockchain include the following. Security. Once something is recorded, it's extremely difficult to change. Transparency. Everyone involved has access to the same information. And the last one, decentralization. No single person or entity controls a blockchain. It's maintained by a network of computers working together. Smart contracts are essentially a digital agreement that self-executes once preset conditions are met. A smart contract is like an automatic agreement written in computer code that runs on a blockchain. Now imagine you're buying concert tickets. A smart contract in its simplest form would be programmed like this. If Kelly pays $50, then send her a digital ticket. When you pay, the contract automatically sends you the ticket. No one needs to intervene and it happens instantly and securely. Smart contracts make things faster, cheaper, and more reliable by cutting out middlemen and by automating processes. Now, the core characteristics of blockchain include the following. Set it and forget it. Two or more people agree on specific rules, such as if this happens, then do that, and write them into a smart contract. They're self-executing. Once those rules are met, the contract automatically does what it's supposed to without needing a lawyer, middleman, or any reminders. And it's trustworthy. Since the contract is on a blockchain, it is secure, transparent, and can't be altered. These contracts eliminate inefficiencies, reduce costs, and minimize human error while being completely transparent. With blockchain, both the blockchain ledger and smart contracts work hand in hand to create a robust system for insurers. Now let's talk about some insurance industry challenges. Insurance faces many challenges that hinder efficiency and customer trust. Let's explore a few key ones. Security risks. Centralized systems are attractive targets for hackers, resulting in significant financial and reputational losses. Transparency issues. Claims processes can often feel opaque to customers. For example, the status of a claim or why it was rejected might not be readily available. Data integrity problems. Insurers often deal with inconsistencies in customer records, incomplete data, and manual errors, which delay processes and reduce accuracy. These challenges underscore the need for a solution that could simultaneously address security, transparency, and data accuracy, and this is where blockchain excels. Now let's discuss how blockchain addresses security. Now, how does blockchain address security? The first is with enhanced data security. Blockchain's cryptographic protection ensures that once a record is added, it cannot be altered. This immutability is vital for claims data and other sensitive information. The second is fraud prevention. Since blockchain operates on a decentralized ledger, every transaction is verified in real time. This prevents fraud and ensures all stakeholders view the same data. Now the third is with secure smart contracts. By automating claims through smart contracts, we reduce human errors and speed up the resolution process. Consider a real-world example. If a policyholder files a claim and meets all criteria, the smart contract can automatically approve and process the payment, reducing delays and fraud opportunities. Now let's cover improving transparency with blockchain. Blockchain brings much needed transparency to the insurance industry. Auditability. Its immutable transaction history allows regulators and auditors to track and verify every entry easily. Customer trust. Policyholders can monitor their policies and claim status in real time, building trust and reducing dissatisfaction. Streamlined processes. Blockchain ensures all stakeholders, customers, insurers, and third parties, are aligned with a single version of the truth. This transparency not only enhances trust, but also leads to quicker decision-making and fewer disputes. Let's discuss how we can ensure data integrity with blockchain. Data integrity is a critical issue that blockchain solves effectively with data consistency. A shared and synchronized ledger ensures that all parties see consistent and updated data at all times. Error reduction. With blockchain, there is no need for duplicate data entry or reconciliation efforts. It serves as a single source of truth. And compliance support. Blockchain can automate regulatory reporting, reducing the compliance burden for insurers while ensuring accuracy. For instance, during a claims process, all involved parties, such as adjusters, customers, and regulators, can rely on consistent and verified data, eliminating disputes. Now we're going to get into blockchain use cases in insurance and real-world examples. Now here are some use cases where the insurance industry can use blockchain. In claims processing, blockchain ensures faster settlements and prevents fraud by tracking the entire claims process on an immutable ledger. Also, customer identity management. Blockchain simplifies know your customer requirements by securely verifying and storing customer identities. Reinsurance. Insurers and reinsurers can share data seamlessly and securely, improving collaboration and efficiency. Now let's dive into some real-life examples of blockchain being used in the insurance industry. The first is Synaptic Health Alliance. They use blockchain to maintain accurate provider directories, cutting costs and improving healthcare access. The Synaptic Health Alliance was founded in 2017 by Humana, Multiplan, Quest Diagnostics, and United Health Group. The goal of the coalition, which has since grown to 8 participating organizations, is to use blockchain technology to help solve some of the toughest problems in healthcare. In its first project, Synaptic is tackling the high costs of maintaining provider directories that patients use to identify network care providers and access medical services. The exchange leverages the Kaleido blockchain platform to power a cooperatively owned, synchronized distributed ledger that makes it possible for members to easily share changes to provider data. Our next example is the RiskStream Collaborative. Their RapidX application streamlines claims data exchange, saving insurers time and resources. RiskStream Collaborative is the risk management and insurance industry's largest enterprise-level blockchain and emerging technologies consortium, developing insurance-specific use cases on Canopy and other emerging technology platforms. Canopy 3.0 is hosted by Kaleido. Large U.S. insurers, such as Nationwide, Prudential, and USAA, expedite the application development process using Canopy. They ensuring data privacy and security and host nodes across various clouds, including AWS and Azure. RapidX is RiskStream's auto claims data exchange application. The solution uses blockchain technology to streamline the data exchange between commercial and personal insurance carriers. RapidX saves carriers valuable resource time and money, leading to a better customer experience and more efficient claims handling. Our third example is Allianz. Allianz Group is one of the world's leading insurers and asset managers with 125 million private and corporate customers in almost 70 countries. Allianz uses blockchain for cross-border claims, ensuring faster settlements and transparency without compromising privacy. By using blockchain, Allianz uses a single source record of the decision about each claim. It cuts time spent on administration and cost, and it means the claim is settled faster for the customer. When someone submits an auto accident insurance claim, Allianz Hungary would determine it's a cross-border claim and use the International Claims Portal, which is connected to the country's node on the Hyperledger Fabric blockchain network. What's logged on the blockchain is data such as policy number, claim number, countries involved, and other details of the claim. However, it doesn't contain any personally identifiable information. While the blockchain is used for logging transaction data, alongside it sits a local country relational database where personal information lives. Apart from the facts of the claim, smart contracts are used to determine how the costs are split between the two organizations, as well as VAT and billing calculations. These examples highlight blockchain's versatility and its ability to tackle insurance-specific challenges. To summarize, blockchain offers unmatched benefits in enhancing security, transparency, and data integrity. It addresses key industry pain points, reduces inefficiencies, and fosters trust among customers and stakeholders. Now is the time for insurers to consider exploring blockchain solutions through pilot programs or cross-industry collaborations. As we've seen today, the potential is vast, and early adopters stand to gain significant competitive advantages. Thank you so much for your time today. Feel free to reach out to me at my email or LinkedIn profile if you'd like to chat more about how blockchain could benefit your organization.